Lord, all those things I've been through in my life, and all those fights keep me stronger and wise.
So good morning, guys. So today my mom and I, we are going to the paint store. We're picking up the final paint for our house. It is literally rain and ice. Let me call mom, because this is ridiculous. I don't even think she wants to go. Guys, it's chunks of ice raining. I don't even think we should go anywhere.
Hello?
Ma.
It's Arian.
Mom, not rain, ice.
Ice?
It's ice.
You ready?
Mom, I don't know if we should go anywhere. It's raining ice.
Coming back.
And I don't even have something to cover my hair, and I just washed my hair.
You know, it's cold up here.
This is crazy.
It's cold up the head, so.
Alright, I'm coming back, because this is... Or should I wait 5 more minutes?
Right.
Should I wait 5 more minutes or not? Should I wait 5 more minutes or just come back?
Come back.
Alright, bye, love you.
Never too bad.
Bye. Guys, this weather is making me into a liar, because now we're it's so cold. We're about to go to the paint store. You guys are actually gonna get a vlog. Yeah, we're gonna go to the paint store because it stopped rain and ice. I don't know what was going on with that. So yeah, so I'm just warming up the car. We're gonna redo this again. Warming up the car, and then we're gonna go pick up the paint and see. I'm gonna go to Home Depot instead of Sherman-Williams for the paint, because I paid $67 for a can of freaking paint. That could have bought my grandma's groceries for the week. Are you serious? So yeah. Mom, you can't just roll up. What if I was in here with my man like that?
It's me as well, man. You're frozen, man.
You can't just roll up like that.
Careful, man.
Mom, it is winter and you have on flats and
sex.
I got you.
Guys, you want to...
No, expose me.
Is that your favorite line in life? Mom has on... Dang, my hair looks crazy. Guys, I cannot do my hair to save my life. Mom has on flats with socks. So why didn't she just wear boots?
No boots today.
Or why didn't you just wear sneakers and
no
socks?
No sneakers today. My life, live it the way I want it.
Not true, my girl. Not true. Not true, my girl.
What wrong with me socks and me flats? Oh well.
Smells like you stole some from me. You smell a little Swedish.
I stole a tea. My body right.
Say it again, money.
Driving to the gas station and buy some gas, so fat.
No, I'm gonna go get money from my man really quick.
Put me out, we go get the money for your man. I'm not going with your man. So go put me down yourself. And make me go up back, and then you go get your money for your man, and then you come back for me. Me and your man now going away.
I'm weak. Mom, what if he's giving you money? You see how you got quiet?
Your man can't trick me, here.
What man? I got nobody.
You think your man can't trick me?
I'm singler than a $1 bill. Yeah? What happened? Guys, damn, let me hurry up and take this parking spot. We're getting Chinese food because we're hungry. We were supposed to go where, guys? To the paint store. Where didn't we go? the paint store. We went everywhere else but the paint. Places we didn't even need to go, we went. I bought a prayer book. Mom, show them what you got.
Sure. If you touch your 2 hands, popping I carry today.
No, sir.
Don't expose my business.
No, sir. I got peach and passion fruit tea. This is so good. I got green tea and mango. You know they had mango and ginger tea? You think that's nice? And then I got organic blue agave sweetener because mom used dad's sweetener out. It's empty. Empty.
You don't have,
And then I got a perfume.
Oh.
And then I got the deep perfume. I love perfumes, guys. And then I'm gonna give mom the little.
May I what left? You should clean your teeth.
I want to go to that orthodontist, the one that I was telling you about. And I need to go to at least 3 orthodontists, and let me see who I want to go to do the Invisalign or the braces. I want to do the braces because the Invisalign, you have to wear it for 22 hours per day. Plus, it's like you see the spit in the plastic.
Like it. Nasty.
But for my teeth to be straightened, it would be only a year versus braces is 2 years.
2 years of your hand pan?
Yeah, for the braces. Because the Invisalign, it works faster. So that's why grandma was telling me that I should do the Invisalign. One hand. I hate when people hug me with one hand. I said, don't even touch me.
You love hug up too much.
I know.
Got your man for you go. Not me hate so.
I love hugging
I
them.
don't want nobody hug me.
You gonna see grandma stop kissing me? Tell me I love kiss too much. Great grandma kiss me all the time though. Great grandma will kiss me. The only thing with grandma, when I kiss her and there's lipstick, she don't want me to wipe it off and it's all over her. I said, grandma, let me wipe off the lipstick.
You don't have food stuff. You don't really.
Mom, how do you know it's done? What time I call?
If me go in there and the food not ready, in the mash up.
Have you ever met Lisa? She's your match. Lisa? You want to see when she's cursing out her Chinese husband?
That her husband can't curse out me.
What time did I call?
And they curse me curse him in Jamaican and me curse him in a Chinese language.
How do you curse in Chinese?
Yeah.
Yo! I have to be mad. My father's mad, my mom's mad. There was no hope for me.
You want to be because of the Chinese language? You have to understand one piece of it.
Mom, you're gonna miss me, baby?
You don't have food, come give me. That's what you do.
You're gonna miss me? You are the worst husband in the world. You don't say you miss me, you don't kiss me, you don't hug me up, no nothing.
Nobody thinks I'm a lesbian and my girl. I'm not. No. You's not my type. Okay?
I'm not your type?
No.
What's your type?
Money. My type has to have money.